Hey everyone, we're going to be looking at the Infinix Note 40 Pro Racing Edition today, which debuted in July 2024 and is a new competitor in the mid-range smartphone market. It has a lot of unique features, like an eye-catching appearance, a powerful memory capacity, a strong camera system, and a long battery life. This is your opportunity to learn all the information if you haven't heard about it yet. The gadget has a curved display, thin bezels, and an exquisite appearance. It comes in a sleek gray hue. Depending on the hue, the back panel's premium matte finished plastic may be imitation eco-leather, ordinary plastic, or even a substance that resembles metal. You might not need a case because the matte texture keeps dust and fingerprints at bay. But be careful while using it on flat surfaces, since the camera hump on the back, which houses 3 lenses, does protrude somewhat. With a 6.78-inch AMOLED display that offers a pixel density of 393 ppi and a resolution of 1080 by 2436, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Racing Edition is well equipped. The display has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a maximum brightness of 1300 nits, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Because of this, using it outside, even in bright sunlight, is simple. Thanks to WIDAV and L1 certification and 100% DCI-P3 coverage, the colors are true and brilliant, offering a rich visual experience from a variety of viewing angles. The Helio G99 processor powers the Infinix Note 40 Pro Racing Edition. This configuration effectively balances energy efficiency with performance. The AMOLED G57MC2 GPU manages the graphics, ensuring fluid gaming and excellent visuals. The smartphone has 256 gigs of internal storage and 12 gigs of RAM out of the box. Although there isn't a memory card slot, most users should be able to use the large amount of storage. Although it only has 4G connectivity, the gadget does support Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5, and NFC, which may be a drawback for anyone hoping for 5G support. For its pricing range, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Racing Edition has an excellent camera setup. 3 lenses make up the primary camera system, a 108-megapixel sensor, plus 2 2-megapixel sensors for close-up and depth shooting. The camera captures images with realistic colors and decent detail when the lighting is good. With respect to color fidelity and detail, the 2x zoom performs admirably. The camera struggles a little in low light, but it can still take good pictures with some extra lighting. A 32-megapixel sensor on the front camera has an f2.2 aperture and can take crisp, colorful selfies. It offers good performance for a mid-range smartphone and supports portrait mode as well. Long-lasting performance is ensured by the 5000 mAh battery that powers the Infinix Note 40 Pro Racing Edition. It can quickly charge the device to 70% capacity, thanks to its compatibility for 70-watt fast charging. Reverse wireless charging enables you to charge other devices from your smartphone, while maintaining up to 20 watt of wireless charging capacity. For the price, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Racing Edition has an impressive feature set. Even while it might not be the most powerful smartphone available, it offers great battery life, NFC support, a sharp display, and enough performance for the majority of users. In spite of certain drawbacks, such the absence of a memory card slot and 5G, it's a formidable competitor in the mid-range smartphone segment. Please remember to hit the bell button for notifications, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel if you found this review useful. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the future. Have a nice day and God bless you.